Let us solve the question number 15. It is given that find a square minus 5a plus 6i. If a is equal to matrix 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so if this is the given matrix 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So let us solve this type of question. So write given a value. Okay, so what we need to find first a square, no? So do write a square equal to a into a. Okay, so write the a matrix 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0, and again a 2 0 1 2 1 3. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this first column, first row, first column. So 2 into 2 4 plus 0 plus 1 1 ja 1. Next 2 2s are 4 plus 1 2s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. Next it is what, 1 2s are 2 plus minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2 plus 0. Okay, so now we have to multiply with next column, second column, 2 0 0 0 plus 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1. Next second row 2 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into minus 1, it is minus 3. Okay, so next third row 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 0. So now we have to multiply with the third column, 2 into 1 2 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, so now 2 1s are 2 plus 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into 0 0. Now third row 1 into 1 1, next minus 1 into 3 minus 3, next 0 into 0 0. So now calculate this, 4 plus 1, it is 5, and here minus 1 2, here 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9, and here minus 3 1, it is minus 2, and here 2 plus 3, it is 5, and here 2 minus 2, it is 0, and here minus 1, and here it is what, 1 minus 3, it is minus 2. So this is the matrix of a square. Okay, so a square matrix we have obtained. Now simply substitute here. Okay, and here what is I? I is what? It is identity matrix. See here, A matrix is in 3 by 3. A square we obtained in matrix 3 by 3 order. So our identity matrix will also be, must be in 3 by 3. So 1 1 1 remaining zeros. Diagonal elements will be 1 I. So let us substitute these values in this equation. The given equation is a square minus 5a plus 6i. So this is equal to, a square is what we got, 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2, minus 5 times of a. Okay, a value is what, it is 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0, and then after minus 5a we have to write plus 6i. So plus 6i is what, it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now we have to solve this. So write as it is, and here it is a scalar. Multiply all the elements in this matrix. 5 2s are 10 0 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 minus 1 minus 5 0, and then plus 6 is multiplied with all the elements, it will become 0 6 0 0 0 6. Now what we have to do, we have to Okay, corresponding elements we have to calculate this. Okay, so here 5 minus 10 it is what? 5 minus 10 it is minus 5 minus 1, 2 minus 5 it is minus 3, 9 minus 10 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 it is minus 7, 5 minus 15 minus 10, here 0 minus 5 minus 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus plus 5 it is 4, minus 2 minus 0. So here it is the matrix, and the remaining matrix is this 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Okay, so now if we calculate this, we will get what we will get here. Here minus 1 plus 6 it is 1, and here minus 1, here minus 3, and here it is what? Minus 1. Minus 7 plus 6 it is minus 1. Okay, minus 10. Here zeros, no? So minus 4 minus 5 4, minus 5 4, and here minus 2 plus 6 it is 4. So this is the value we get for the equation this. Okay, so here what we get? 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 4 4 4. So this is the obtained value of this equation. Okay, we can solve like this method. In this question what we needed a square. So what we did, we multiplied a into a, and we need the I value. We know that the I value is this, but you have to notice that which matrix A is in which matrix. Order of the matrices of A must be same as that of the order of the matrix of I. Okay, so like this you can solve this type of question.